In this video, we are going to explore how can we make ants to wander. We already know how to make ants look for food, move towards nest, but the most common action for ants, for turtle, is to wander around. So how do we define this? Let's have a look. It's not very hard to define wander. First of all, we want our turtle, our ants, to randomly turn left between 0 degree to 40 degree, and then randomly turn to left between the value 0 to 40 degree. So these two actions demonstrate that the ant does not really know where to go, so it's wander around. But it's wander around only within this 80 degree ahead of itself. So the variation of 80 degree, okay? So it's not absolutely random turning its head. It still have a main direction within 80 degree variation. And then we have to consider an exception. That is, if the ant is almost near the end of the world, which means if it moving one step forward, 1 unit forward, there's no patch anymore. If there's no patch, the ant cannot move forward. Therefore, we have to test, we have to verify whether in front of the ant there is a patch or not. We use can move question mark distance 1 to help us figure it out. Why this function can do that? We can check its documentation. It says this function is equivalent to this one. This one means a head patch. This is where the turtle is. A head patch, meaning the patch right in front of it. If the head patch distance is 1, so just 1 unit, 1 distance away. If this is 2, which means 2 distance away, the patch over here. If this patch is not nobody, meaning the patch exists. If this patch equal to nobody, meaning the patch does not exist. So similarly, can move question mark 1, meaning ahead of this turtle by 1 distance, there is a patch or not. If not, meaning there's no patch, so not, which is true, we can execute this line of code, meaning turn around. So no patch, turn around, makes sense. But if there is patch, this is true, and not true is false. False, we won't execute this line of code, meaning we're just moving forward, continuing the original heading. But there is no patch, we turn around and moving 1 unit forward. This is how we design wander. So again, right meaning turning right, left meaning turning its head to the left. FD is moving forward.